In other news, senior ranks of the St. Lucia Fire Service have begun intensive training in the use of new devices that are expected to improve the response to ambulance emergencies. The training is being funded by a UK-based charity. DBS's SLCHAP reports.
This is called a stair chair and is intended to complement the use of a stretcher to move injured persons, especially over difficult terrain. St. Lucia's fire chief says rescuing injured individuals in such circumstances and in situations where winding stairs or narrow passages are involved can prove challenging using a stretcher.
That sometimes is very tasking on the officer, and we have a number of officers who have been complaining of back pains, and that's a common problem among the ambulance staff.
Apart from staff at the St. Lucia Fire Service, the new device, which is in effect a kind of a stretcher that folds into a chair, is also expected to benefit injured persons who have to be moved by ambulance crews.
For the victim, the patient, is going to be a little more comfortable for that person. They're going to be in a secure chair. The likelihood of them falling off, for example, if a stretcher, is less. So there are benefits both ways.
The idea of using the stair chairs came from a UK-based St. Lucian woman who has formed a charity called the St. Lucia Healthcare Ambulance Project. She has raised the funds to secure trainers in the use of the new devices and to buy the devices as well, 8 of which have already been donated and others are on their way.
I had an unfortunate experience to see my uncle was being carried in an inappropriate chair. And so I went back to the UK. I thought I could make a difference to my people. And that's how this project started. That's how I started it.
The St. Lucia Fire Service intends to ensure that all ambulance teams throughout St. Lucia are eventually trained in the use of the new devices. Reporting for the DBS News World, I am SLCHAP.
The media fraternity in St. Lucia is mourning the loss of one of its stalwarts. Francis Tobias passed away on Saturday. DBS's Jason Hollingshead reports.
Teacher who hailed from Trinidad who first paid a 2-week visit to St. Lucia in 1959 with members of the group Catholic Youth Organization.